What is up? It is Jordan Lundstrom with Join In with Jordan. I hope everyone is having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video on the 8-week course on your first steps to buying your first home. My last video, we talked about expenses, what to expect while buying your first home. And for this video, we're going to be talking about credit scores. And credit scores play a huge part on getting the best interest rate you can get. Interest rates come down to your down payment and your credit score. So let's dive in and hear some helpful tips to improve your credit score and things that will hurt your credit score. Minimum credit score you need to have to get a loan is a 580. That was before COVID, and during COVID, it's still a 580, but I recommend you having your credit score to at least a 640. This will help you get a better interest rate and a better loan. Having your credit score higher than a 640 is even better. Try to get your credit score as high as you can. This will get you the best loan and the best interest rates possible. I am not a lender myself, but I recommend you talk to a lender because things are always changing with interest rates and credit scores. I will tag a lender, Chris Knopf from Churchill Mortgage, at the bottom of this. He's an amazing guy to speak to. He will give you sort of a roadmap on things you can do to improve your credit score, things that are currently hurting your credit score, and help you reach the goal of buying your first home. Now, here are 3 things that hurt your credit score. 1, opening and closing lines of credits. 2, having collections. And 3, having high balances. Now, here are 4 things that you can do to help build your credit score. 1, if you have student debt, you need to make sure you're still paying that down. Even if it's deferred while you're trying to get a loan, that can affect you. 2, if you have collections, of course you need to pay that down. 3, don't miss a payment. If you miss a payment after 30 days, that will be on your record for 7 years. So if you feel like you're gonna miss a payment, if you feel like it's gonna be late, anything like that, call your creditor and work out some options so no penalties will show up on your record. And 4, keep your debt utilization below 30%. So let's say you have a $1,000 line of credit, make sure your debt is $300 or below. And lastly, make sure you're getting your credit score from a reliable source. Websites like Credit Karma won't give you 100% accuracy in your credit score. So make sure you talk to a lender. They're gonna be able to pull the correct credit score for you. And they'll be able to sit down with you and be like, hey, these are the action steps you need to take to get your credit score to where it needs to be today. Or, hey, your credit score is already really good and you're ready to buy a home. So make sure you talk to a lender. Reach out to Chris Knopf. He's an amazing lender to speak to. He's going to be able to set you up with an action plan on things you need to do to reach your goal of buying a home. Once again, thank you everyone for coming and watching this video. It means so much to me.